Okay, so my first tip is the most helpful one for me, and that has been blocking certain websites or apps on the devices I use. So when you block certain websites during class, you can't get access to those. All I did was Google website blocker, and I found this one for Google Chrome, and so far it's been working pretty well. You can do the same thing for your iPads and phones if you keep them near your desk when you have online school. My next tip is to make sure your desk space is clean without any clutter and you have everything accessible. Also, make sure you only work at your desk and don't play. My next tip is to use the pomodoro technique, where you set a timer for 25 minutes and work that time, then take a break for 5 minutes so that you don't burn out. I do this using an app called Study Bunny, and it's really helped me to focus when I'm supposed to work. I use this mostly whenever the teachers just tell us that instead of a class, we just have to do our work. My next tip is to put down any thoughts you have on paper so that you can think about them later when you're not supposed to be focusing. Listening to instrumental music really helps me to focus. However, for some people, silence is better, and others just like white noise, like rain or something. You can Google white noises like rain or something on YouTube, but if you just like silence, that's completely okay as well. I try to only check any social media or messages 3 times a day: lunch, breakfast, and dinner. So make sure you have set times of when you want to check those types of things. I like to try and plan ahead of time what I'm going to do when. So for example, if a teacher tells me that our class is canceled for today, I'm going to figure out what work I'm going to do during that time and plan it in Google Calendar. And my final tip is to take a 5 or 10 minute break after every class just to get your mind refreshed for your next class.